How you doing?
Good morning. Welcome on board.
Thank you.
How are you today, Mr. Diana?
Very good, thank you.
And
my wife, yes.
Good morning, Mr. Diana. Welcome. You had a long walk.
Yeah.
Welcome. It's not too far. 11 A and B on the window side, please. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Alright guys, so we are now on a Boeing 777 Emirates flight from Male to Dubai with my wife Eleni. I'm just going to give you a tour around what it's like in business class. So we shall start off by showing you that it's quite spacious. So Eleni's feet, she's currently on the footrest up, quite a bit of space there, good sized TV. Storage for your shoes, but Eleni's put her jumper and her headphones there. Storage in here, you get 2 bottles of water that come with it. I'll go through the menu in a bit as well. You've also got this touchscreen pad by pushing this, which controls the TV in front of it. If you push this button, it actually unlocks it and you can take it off like so. I've just got it on the seat adjust because I was playing around with my seat earlier on. You've also got the option here, which this comes in economy. This controls as well the screen in front of you. It's attached onto the chair though, so you can't move that. 2 nice little cup holders there for you to put your drink when you come on board. So we had a Costa, so it was nice because we had somewhere to put our drinks. A small little table here as well. Here is your food table, so you've got, opens up singly with a little cup holder there, but then if you open it one more, you can see that opens up double. It's quite good because, you know, sometimes you've got quite a few stuff, like I'm going to do some work on my laptop in a bit, so that'll be quite convenient for me. Quite a bit of storage, so you've got storage, you can see down here, you've got headphones and a phone there. You've got 2 USB ports and a plug port there as well to charge your phone or your laptop. Here for your headphones, and here are your buttons to adjust the chair. So this chair does go all the way down, so lay flat as if you're going to sleep. So I'll show you that. So all I have to do is you can control it actually from here, but I like to do it from here. Actually hold this down. As you can see, my legs are now going up. I'll show you myself now. Here to control it to get me back up or back down. Also for the light here, if you can see, just tap it and it turns on and off. Same with this here, light here. Okay, don't think that's working. Oh sorry, the button's on the top. So yeah, just get myself back up. It's quite cool. Really nice. Obviously chairs are comfortable. Let me grab the menu, show you what's on the menu. So this is only a 4-hour flight. This is a connected flight for me and Eleni. So but yeah, inside the menu, so you've got different juices, so you can see here, juice, mocktails, orange fizz, virgin cucumber. So yeah, quite a good selection of drinks. Different cocktails if you're a cocktail lover. I know Eleni will be getting one of these. I might go for an espresso martini because I feel quite tired at the moment and I want to stay awake for this flight. Got your whiskies, cognacs, or missed that. Cognacs, I'm a big fan of cognac myself. Beer. Here we go, just little words from their chef. A bit about the menu. Here's their breakfast, which I'm interested in. So I might just go for the continental breakfast of bread, pastries, fresh fruit and yogurt. I'd say we've got another flight. It's only a 4-hour flight, so I've got 2 courses on the other flight, and I've got a layover for 2 hours, which I will be getting some food in then. So yeah, and then this is just, I'm assuming it's in Arabic, because obviously Emirates is a Arabic company. So yeah, that is it. That's the menu, and that's about it really. And hope you enjoyed this video of a Boeing 777 business class with Emirates, and we shall catch up with you guys soon.